Now I'd like to invite Zishan Kamar from Logan Sharif to share his thoughts on this topic.
Insert with the majestic appellation of Allah Almighty, who said in the Holy Quran in Surah Al-Imran, verse number 110, "You are the best nation produced as an example. You enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong." All compliments and praises to be the matchless Prophet of Allah Almighty, who said, "Convey from me even if it is a one verse." Honorable judges and respectable teachers and disciplined audience, Assalamu alaikum. I stand before you today to delve into a topic that holds profound significance in the fabric of Islamic practice: the roles and manners of preaching in Islam. I would like to give you a brief introduction about my topic. First of all, we need to know what preaching is basically. So preaching means in Islam conveying the message of Allah Almighty and His last beloved Prophet to all mankind. Here another question arises: why we have to preach? So we should know that in this world, Islam is the only true religion which encompasses all the essential needs of humanity. So let's begin with the manners of preaching in Islam. Allah Almighty addressed to beloved Prophet in the Holy Quran that invite to the way of your Allah with wisdom, good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best. Number first role mentioned in this ayah is wisdom contrivance. There should be arguments that can make the truth as bright day and have the power to replace the darkness of the doubt with the light of certainty. Number two, good sermon, good instruction. A preacher should encourage people to do good things and avoid bad ones. In such a way, even hearts of stone went away, not by piling up dry arguments like philosophers, but by speaking in a manner where everyone emanates sincere and love. And number three, debate and discussion. Don't attempt to degrade the opposing group at any cost. Your only concern should be the elevation of truth. It is also essential to be adorned with good manners and etiquettes. So to effectively preach, a preacher should possess fundamental manners. Number one, recognizing the significance of this field. Before starting any task, it's essential for a preacher to know that preaching is not a task of children. It's a prophetic mission. And while walking on this noble path, a preacher will encounter both ease and difficulties, flowers of love and thorns of hatred. The foremost responsibility of a preacher to uphold morality at all times. Number two, self-sufficient and sincere. A preacher should preach with the understanding of prophetic mission, seeking only Allah's pleasure, not for worldly gain. And it's essential for a preacher to always remember the clear command of all prophets: I seek not from you any payment. My payment is only from Allah, and He is over all things. It is often mentioned in the Quran. Number three, thorough knowledge. It is also essential for a preacher to have thorough knowledge, preparation, and proper practice on a topic which he wants to discuss. It is also crucial for a preacher to prepare his entire speech using credible sources. Number four, and very important point, kindness and compassion. These two things are very crucial and necessary in the context of spreading Islam. Our beloved Prophet also very gentle. Allah Almighty addressed to beloved Prophet in Surah Al-Imran: if you had been rude in speech and harsh in heart, people would have disbanded from about you. So our beloved Prophet behaved kindly and gently with that one who even showed it in the mosque. So we have to understand, instead of criticism, a preacher should preach with kindness and compassion. Number five and last point, a preacher should act upon his own teachings and lectures. I would like to end up my speech with these mass experts of Pir Muhammad Karam Shah Azhari. He said, darkness is never dispelled by cursing it. If you want to eliminate darkness, light a lamp. Darkness will automatically disappear. I earnestly beseech Allah to bestow us opportunity to understand and act upon these ethical values and principles. Thanks a lot for your attentive listening.